Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today I want to show you how SAVOX tests the waterproof. Okay, we will test this submarine, our patent servo. This one is a new one. This is SW-2262. So we will test this one on the waterproof in 1 meter for testing 30 minutes. So there's an IP67. Okay, let's go to the lab. And then this water tube is 1 meter. So we will put the servo into this water to test 30 minutes. So we will continue to doing the test, and then you can see the time. After test 30 minutes, so we take out the servo, and then right now I will disassemble it for you guys. Okay, we can check here. The PCB is okay, so it's no water inside. Then the gear set is also okay. So you can see the water is out. So there's waterproof. So you can see the gear set is no problem at all. And PC board is also okay. Okay, let's welcome the new member of SAVOX. So this is Jessica. So Jessica, what do you want to know about SAVOX?
What is the waterproof level of this SAVOX servo?
Okay, for the SAVOX waterproof servo, it's all past IP67. So all the servo can working in 1 meter water for working 30 minutes without problems.
So when is this SAVOX servo available?
So for this new submarine, our patent servo SW-2262 will be available at September. So if you are interested, please contact with SAVOX distributor after September or check with our Facebook fans page. Thank you.
Thank you.